Hi viewers, how are you? Today you are watching pine cone flowers. You are watching different pine cone flower ideas, different colorful, different uh, design and different type of the pine cone flowers. You are watching on the screen wall hanging pine cone flowers. You are watching pine cone flowers frame, wall hanging, pink color. You are watching multicolor pine cone flowers basket, beautiful. You are watching the light color, most blue and green, pink color pine cone flower. You are watching the another wall hanging wood based pine cone flower. A wall hanging. You are watching the another pine cone flowers. You are watching another pine cone flowers bunch, different colorful flower, red, blue and white colorful pine cone flowers and pine cone leaves. You are watching another idea of pine cone decorating, another beautiful unique idea pine cone paint white color and decorate. You are watching another wall hanging decorate with the pine cone flowers. Another pine cone flower decoration pink and white shade. You are watching another idea pine cone painted flowers, beautiful. Another idea you can watch on the screen pine cone flowers, different designs. You are watching wall hanging yellow. You are watching wall hanging multicolor painted pine cone flowers. Another pine cone flowers butterfly wall hanging. Another pine cone painted decorated flowers. Another idea you can watch on the screen pine cone paint and flower. Another idea you can watch pine cone flowers, different colors you can decorate. Another idea pine cone flowers uh, in a pot. Another idea pine cone flowers, beautiful colorful red, pink, blue, green, white pine cone flower decorating uh, like sunflower. You are watching another idea wall hanging